What is going on, beautiful people? I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So we're about to get into another wig installation video, and we'll be doing this wig install for AliPearlHair.com. So I just want to show you guys what I got in the box that you can get on the website, all the accessories that you need. But girl, I was gagged seeing this wig straight out of the package because, excusez-moi, a halo braid already done. Like, what? The curl pattern of this unit is too lush and beautiful. I got this wig in 26 inches, and I'm doing a shed test because baby, there was no shedding in this wig. The quality of the hair was chef's kiss, just absolutely giving. But it's the frontal for me. It is the halo braid with the 3 braids in the front, the lace. Hello. So the lace is a 13x6 HD lace frontal, and of course, you know, we gotta go in with some bronzing powder because we need that lace to match so that it can look like scalp. Okay, you see how I said that? Scalp. We need it to be invisible, like the word scalp, like I just said, just a P. Okay, to do this install, ball cap method would have been great, but I ain't got the time for that. I just wanted it to be as simple as possible. So what I'm gonna do is slip back my edges and put that wig cap on. So you can use whatever edge control that you have, and I'm using the wig cap that I got in my box that you can get on the website. And then I'm gonna go in with some bronzing powder. Now what I like about my little ginger here is it's giving makeup underneath my cap, which helps to disguise my lace. So I am feeling that. So I'm just gonna put it all over my hair. My braids are getting old anyway, so I know eventually I'm gonna wash my hair, so I don't mind all that makeup on there. But yeah, we needed to give scalp all around. The wig also comes with an adjustable band on the inside, so we're just gonna adjust that just to make sure that it's fitting as snug as possible. This is listed as a glueless wig, but honestly for me, any type of full lace frontal, I'm gonna need to tap that baby down. Okay, do you see how smooth, clean cut it could have slid back? Because I have a special shape type of head. Like, I have a little hump in the back situation, like a little pea's head. But if I had any other shape, the wig would have sat as flat as it could on the side. Also, what you could have do is use one of those sticky lace sticks. But I don't know, it's not disguised enough for me. So I'm just cutting around my ear just to make sure I take off that extra lace so that the wig is lying right around my ear like a C cap. And then we're gonna go down with gluing this down. But for me, it's not gonna be the glue. We're gonna use spray. I don't be messing with glue because I like my edges in place and not far back, because over time that hairline will move back and I don't need it to move back for me. I'm gonna use spray, and if I just need to glue spray it back down every single day, I prefer to do that as long as the edges are still present. Okay, but look at that melt of this HD lace. Like, are you kidding me? But let me just mention, because y'all probably watching this like, girl, Chev, that is a lot of hair in the front. No, this is for the girlies that like a lot of edges. Am I gonna use all them edges? Absolutely not. Like, that is not my style. I like a little soup to the doop, but not too much edges, and this is giving way too much. We're gonna fix it in a bit. Okay, just everybody relax. I know you're probably saying that's a lot of hair in the front, girl. We know. We gonna fix it. Okay, this is not our taste, but we gonna fix it. So I'm gonna go in with some mousse, but the hair is so luscious. I was thinking about crimping hair, but honestly, the natural curl pattern of this hair, I need it to stay just like this. So I'm gonna put the mousse on it, especially on the ends. I just want to make sure that the curl is staying the exact same way from the top to the ends. So I'm just working my finger through, still working through, and no shedding at all with this wig, which I appreciate. Like, it's just luscious, it's looking luxurious, the quality is absolutely giving. So after letting my lace dry down for a bit, like, she is in place, she is intact, she's not moving. So I'm gonna go back in with some more powder and it's gonna give even more like scalp. Do you see? Like, I am obsessed with this lace. Like, do you see the lace laid down? So now to fix these adults here, we're gonna cut them down. We're gonna shave that tree down because it's a lot. It's more than I can manage. It's more than what I'm accustomed to. I just can't do it. I initially said, you know what, Chev, just leave it on and just swoop it in, or just like try to do like a finger wave with it. Absolutely not. No, that is not me, babes. Like, no. So we're gonna spray some mousse. So this is how you're gonna move it, because once you spray down the lace, it's gonna be a little bit stiff, like the hair feels like it's in place. So put that mousse on your edge brush and then just swoop them back. They will move, your lace will not lift, and even if it lifts, you can just spray it down a little bit more and then tie it down. So we're gonna put that mousse all over and we're gonna work each section until we get the hair laid back. I'm gonna do a little light swoop here and there, but for the most part, most of the hair is going back. Now for areas that lifted when I did the swoop, I just put a little bit of hairspray on there, the lace spray, and then tie it back down with my little headband, and then let that dry down while I change my clothes and touch up my makeup. And this is what the lace is looking like. Oh my god, I'm just tweezing out a little bit of hair strands here and there just to make sure it's all neat and clean. And baby, this halo braid and curl pattern is my obsession. Like, look at the quality of this unit. Look at the movement, the bounce, the shine. She is gorgeous. The halo is so beautiful. Like, I wish I could do that halo braid, but thank you for being already done for me. Let me know what y'all think about this unit. All the details will be in the description box down below. This hair is just giving everything that needs to be gave. You feel me? Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.